Hello, here's the 2-Minute Washington Hospitality Association news you need to know. We're nearing an important deadline for the Washington State Legislature. See, in even-numbered years, the legislature has just 60 days to do its job to pass supplemental budgets and important policy bills. That 60-day mark is on Thursday. Your state government affairs team will be working hard, like it has for the entire session, to champion our top priority bills and those left in play, all the way to the governor's desk to be signed into law. One victory we're proud of relates to Prostart, which gives high school students skills to pursue careers in the hospitality industry. Substitute House Bill 2685 passed the Senate. This bill will help promote pre-apprenticeship programs for students in high school, programs like Prostart. Since the bill was amended, it will go back to the House of Representatives for concurrence before heading to the governor's desk. Now to the serious topic of human trafficking. To help put a stop to it, the Seattle Hotel Association and Washington Hospitality Association are hosting a special training for members. A free anti-trafficking workshop will be held on Thursday, March 15th from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. at Motif Seattle. It's important because a hotel's best defense against traffickers is training frontline staff and managers. The training will cover topics such as how to identify and report incidents and proactive prevention to protect against risks to hotel safety, security, and reputation. Go to seattleHotelAssociation.org to learn more and sign up for the training on the events page. The event is only for SHA members. We finish with the #1 problem for our members: finding and retaining employees. Washington Hospitality is doing some important outreach. Last week, Washington Hospitality's president and CEO and the senior director of communications and technology visited the campus of Washington State University in Pullman. They spoke about the perks of the hospitality industry and encouraged students to pursue careers in hospitality. That's our 2 minutes. I'm Sabrina. Thank you for watching.